Hi, it's Maddie again, and I'm showing you how to make the button ornament. Today you will be needing your bag that has the ribbon, a pipe cleaner, and all your buttons. I'm going to tell you a few things that are very important for this craft. If you get a button that is too tiny and it does not fit on the pipe cleaner, just set it aside. Okay, let's get started. First, get your pipe cleaner out and start putting in buttons. Try not to do it in order of size and just do it randomly. I'm going to speed up this process because it may take a while. Once you're done putting it almost all the way through the pipe cleaner, you can leave some room at the ends. And if you have a lot extra, you can either make a tree hanger from the extra pipe cleaner, or if you have ornament hangers at home, you can use that. So what you're going to do is get your ribbon ready, your ornament hanger, or just your pipe cleaner. And we are going to twist this up. I just put it through the end and twist and just twist it. Okay, and you could sort of just tuck in the little stuff that's left. Here's how mine looks, and you can see where the pipe cleaner is. And I'm going to get the ribbon, and I'm going to tie a bow. You can either tie it or a parent can tie it. And that's the end.